Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something crucial for all of us. Sleep. We've all had those nights tossing and turning, just wishing for some solid rest. It impacts every single aspect of our lives. But what if I told you there's some seriously cool tech out there designed to help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling totally refreshed? We're talking about gadgets that can track your sleep cycles, optimize your sleep environment, and even help you wake up feeling like you've had the best sleep of your life. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 gadgets that can seriously upgrade your sleep game. Whether you struggle to wind down at night, keep waking up throughout the night, or just want to wake up feeling more energized, these gadgets might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's get started. First up on our list is the Oura Ring. This little ring is like having a sleep lab right on your finger. It's small, it's sleek, and it packs some serious tech. We're talking about tracking your sleep stages. That's light, deep, and REM sleep, along with your heart rate, body temperature, and even your respiratory rate while you sleep. But it's not just about collecting data. The Oura app takes all that information and breaks it down into easy-to-understand insights. You'll see exactly how much time you spend in each sleep stage, giving you a clear picture of your sleep quality. And because knowledge is power, you can start making adjustments to improve your sleep habits. One of the coolest features is the readiness score. Think of it as your daily energy forecast. The Oura Ring analyzes your sleep data and tells you how prepared your body is for the day. If you're running low on sleep, it'll recommend taking it easy. If you're fully charged, you know you can conquer the world. Now let's talk design. The Oura Ring is designed for 24/7 wear. It's super lightweight and comfortable, so you'll barely even notice it's there. And don't worry about battery life, this thing can go for days on a single charge. The Oura Ring is definitely an investment, but if you're serious about understanding and improving your sleep, it might be worth every penny. It's like having a sleep coach right there on your finger guiding you towards better sleep night after night. Beyond sleep, the Oura Ring also helps you with mindfulness and meditation. It tracks your daily activities and even your moments of calm, helping you find balance in your day. The activity score gives you insights into how active you've been and suggests ways to improve. You can set personal goals and track your progress, making it easier to stay motivated. Celebrating small victories becomes a part of your routine, encouraging a healthier lifestyle overall. Whether you're sleeping, working out, or just going about your day, the Oura Ring is there to support you. It's more than just a sleep tracker, it's a comprehensive wellness tool that fits seamlessly into your life. Next up is the Hatch Restore, a device that's all about creating the perfect sleep sanctuary in your bedroom. This innovative gadget is designed to help you achieve the best sleep possible by combining multiple features into one sleek device. This isn't just a sound machine or a wake-up light, it's like having a sleep coach and a personal sunrise simulator all in one. Imagine having a device that not only helps you fall asleep but also ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Let's start with the sunrise alarm. We've all experienced that jarring feeling of being jolted awake by a loud alarm. It's not the best way to start your day, right? The Hatch Restore throws that out the window. Instead, it simulates a natural sunrise, gradually increasing the light intensity to gently wake you up. This gradual light change helps your body wake up more naturally, reducing that groggy feeling. And trust me, waking up with the sunrise makes a world of difference. You feel more energized and ready to face the day ahead, but it's not just about waking up right. The Hatch Restore also helps you wind down at night. It creates a calming environment that signals to your body that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. It comes loaded with a library of soothing sounds and guided meditations. These features are designed to help you de-stress and let go of the day's worries. Whether you prefer white noise, ocean waves, or calming music, there's something for everyone. You can choose the sound that best helps you relax and drift off to sleep. And here's where it gets really cool. You can create custom sleep routines with the Hatch Restore. Tailor your sleep experience to fit your personal preferences and needs. Set it to play calming sounds as you're getting ready for bed, and then have the light slowly dim to signal to your brain that it's time to sleep. This gradual dimming helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. It's like having a personalized bedtime ritual that guides you towards a peaceful night's sleep. This routine can significantly improve the quality of your sleep over time. The Hatch Restore also looks fantastic on your nightstand. Its design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It has this sleek, modern design that blends in with any bedroom decor. You won't have to worry about it clashing with your style. If you're looking for a way to create a relaxing sleep routine and wake up feeling refreshed, the Hatch Restore is definitely worth checking out. It's a comprehensive solution for better sleep. It's one of those gadgets that can truly transform your sleep experience. With the Hatch Restore, you can look forward to better nights and brighter mornings. Now, if your mind tends to race as soon as your head hits the pillow, the Dodow might be your new best friend. This little device is all about simplifying sleep. No apps, no complicated settings, just a simple, effective way to calm your mind and drift off to sleep. The Dodow uses a light-guided breathing technique that's surprisingly effective. It projects a soft blue light onto your ceiling that slowly expands and contracts. All you have to do is synchronize your breathing with the light. As the light slows down, so does your breathing, naturally guiding you into a relaxed state. This technique is all about slowing down your thoughts and quieting your mind. It's like a form of meditation that's specifically designed to combat those racing thoughts that keep you up at night. The Dodow is incredibly easy to use. You just press the button once for an 8-minute session or twice for a 20-minute session. That's it. No need to fiddle with your phone or any complicated settings. And because it's so simple, the Dodow is incredibly portable. Take it with you when you travel or even just move it from room to room. It's small enough to fit on your nightstand without taking up much space. The Dodow is a great option for anyone who wants a drug-free, natural way to fall asleep faster. It's a simple solution that can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Let's talk about the 8 Sleep Pod Pro, a mattress that takes sleep tech to a whole new level. This isn't just another mattress, it's a revolution in how we think about sleep. This isn't just about comfort, it's about creating the perfect sleep environment. Imagine a bed that adapts to your needs, ensuring you get the best rest possible. We're talking about temperature control so precise, it feels like you're sleeping in a climate-controlled sleep sanctuary. No more waking up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat or shivering under the covers. One of the biggest factors that can disrupt sleep is temperature. It's a common issue that many of us face, often without realizing how much it affects our rest. We've all experienced waking up in the middle of the night, feeling too hot or too cold. It's frustrating and can ruin what could have been a perfect night's sleep. The Pod Pro solves this problem with its built-in temperature regulation system. This advanced technology ensures that your bed is always at the perfect temperature for you. Here's where it gets really interesting. The Pod Pro doesn't just stop at temperature control. You can set different temperatures for each side of the bed. This means no more arguments over the thermostat with your partner. So, if you prefer to sleep in a cooler environment while your partner prefers it warmer, the Pod Pro has got you covered. Each side can be customized to meet individual preferences, but it doesn't stop there. The Pod Pro is packed with features that go beyond just temperature control. The Pod Pro is also a smart mattress. It integrates seamlessly with your smart home devices, making it a central part of your sleep routine. It tracks your sleep stages, heart rate, and respiratory rate, giving you detailed insights into your sleep patterns. This data helps you understand how well you're sleeping and what you can do to improve. Over time, it learns your sleep preferences and automatically adjusts the temperature to create your ideal sleep environment. It's like having a personal sleep coach. And if you hate being jolted awake by a loud alarm, you'll love the Gentle Rise trademark feature. This innovative feature ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start your day. It wakes you up gradually with soft vibrations and gentle temperature adjustments. No more harsh alarms, just a peaceful transition from sleep to wakefulness. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro is definitely an investment piece, but if you're serious about optimizing your sleep environment and waking up feeling refreshed every morning, it might be worth considering. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their sleep quality. It's like upgrading your sleep to first class. Imagine waking up every day feeling like you've had the best sleep of your life. Last but not least, we have the Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light. This device is all about waking up naturally and feeling more energized in the morning. It's like having your own personal sunrise right there in your bedroom. The SmartSleep uses a combination of light and sound to gently wake you up. It starts by gradually increasing the light intensity 30 minutes before your set wake-up time, simulating a natural sunrise. This helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed. You can customize the light color and intensity to your liking, and you can even choose from a variety of soothing sounds to accompany your sunrise. Whether you prefer birds chirping, ocean waves, or gentle music, the SmartSleep has you covered. And if you have trouble falling asleep at night, the SmartSleep also has a sunset mode. It gradually dims the light and plays relaxing sounds to help you wind down before bed. The SmartSleep is incredibly easy to use. It has a simple, intuitive interface that makes it easy to set your wake-up time and customize your settings. If you're tired of waking up to a jarring alarm clock and want to start your day feeling more refreshed and energized, the Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light is definitely worth checking out. So, there you have it, 5 incredible gadgets that can help you unlock the power of better sleep. Whether you're a sleep tracking enthusiast, a sound machine devotee, or just looking for a gentler way to wake up, there's a gadget out there for you. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the in-depth sleep analysis of the Oura Ring to the climate-controlled comfort of the 8 Sleep Pod Pro. Each of these gadgets offers a unique approach to improving your sleep quality. Which one of these sleep gadgets are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, sleep well.